what is the topic of today's session? Let me see how many of you did see the video and the message which I had put in the group. What is the topic of today's session? Come on in the chat box, type the word. What are we going to learn today? Okay, so let me revise for you. Last session was the first session, the health is wealth. And as I told you, health is wealth is started. Yeah, some of you are typing. Transforming ripples. Yes, many of you remember. So last session, we started the official community inauguration of Health is Wealth. And you are the first warriors of Health is Wealth to create the transformation change in society. We also learned so many important things that what change we want outside, where does it start? Where does it start? The change you want to see outside. Where does it start? Inside. Yes. So inside out. It is always inside out. Whenever you want to see any change outside, you have to start focusing on the inside. And that's the whole mission of Health is Wealth community and the sessions which I'll be presenting to you. So last session, what did we do? Who remembers? Yeah, sir. Vanishri has put it nicely. Ripples. We took a big stone and did you throw? Did you throw to create the ripples? Yes. So the ripples were created. These ripples are nothing but small, small changes. And when we all come together and throw the stones together, imagine the amount of ripples. Imagine the amount of change that we can bring about collectively together. Do you agree with me? Type in the chat box. Agree if you agree with me. You have to show me some energy by typing in the chat box so that I know that you are listening to me. See, I'm trying to see different days and different timing for the session. Today is Monday. I have kept at 9 o'clock because few of you told that by the time we reach home, it's 8 o'clock. Then we have to have food and all that. So I'm seeing, trying to figure out what will be the best time so that we have maximum people attending. Okay, so we have started creating ripples of transformation from last session. And today's session, what is the topic? Who remembers? Who has seen the video? Nobody saw the video. Nobody saw the video which I put. See, I make the video with dil, okay? With heart, I make it. Please see. What did I say in the video? What is the topic of today? What are we going to learn? Nobody is typing that word. किसने नहीं देखा video? What are we going to learn? Come on. संजना, my favorite. अनीता जी, आपने भी नहीं देखा वीडियो? सुधा जी, अभी सब लोग देख रहे हैं क्या वीडियो? कि क्या बोले मैम ने? Okay, so today's topic is about problems. Problems. Okay, tell me problems. The today's topic is problems. Tell me who has problems. Type in the chat box me if you have problems. Any problem? This group doesn't have any problem. Really? No problems? No problems? Me. Just type if do you have any problems? All of us have problems. There is no one on this earth who will not have problem. Do you agree with me? We are born as human beings to learn a lot. And how do we learn in life? By having, facing, overcoming problems. That's the school of life. Do you agree with me? The way the life teaches us is not by going to first standard, second standard, 10th standard, 12th standard, university, graduation, post graduation. No. The school of life teaches us by problems. Problem number one. When you solve problem number one, then problem number two. Then adu solve adre, then it goes to next step. So one by one, your problems keep on increasing. Correct, no? Are you getting with me? See, when we were born, we were child, even walking was a problem. Walking was a problem for all of you, or did anybody start walking directly? The moment you were born, you started walking directly. Is there anyone here? Show me some energy. Put on the cameras. I want to see your faces. It makes a lot of difference to see your faces. I feel nice. Thank you for some of you who have come on cameras. Tell me who has started walking right from childhood? कि मतलब पैदा हुए और चलने ही लगे, दौड़ने लगे. Is there anyone who has done walking directly from childhood? Or even walking was a problem. Walking was a problem. But how did we learn walking, running? We kept on falling. We kept on standing. We kept on falling. How many times did you fall? How many times did you fall to learn walking and standing? Many. Unless, yes, Shikhar, yes, Sudha, innumerable times. Unless we fall many times, we cannot become the expert in that area. Take this simple example of childhood. We all have fallen so many times. If that time our parents would have told, कि नहीं बेटा गिर जा रहे तू, you don't walk, you are falling, no, I am feeling very bad, you don't walk, you are falling, you just crawl, you just sit. Have we ever learned how to walk if our parents didn't allow us to fall? Tell me. Yes, show me some signals, show me some signals like this also. Yes, thank you, Harika, thank you. So if somebody would have told, no, 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 beta, you are falling so many times. Please don't fall. I'm feeling very bad that you are falling. So then we would have never learned standing on our feet, walking, and even running. Do you agree with me? And this example, my dear friends, you should never forget whatever area you are facing challenge and problem today. You're falling, you are trying, you're falling, you're trying, you're falling, you're trying, you're falling. Many of us, whether it is health, basically there are four main areas: health, wealth, relationship, career, right? So these are the main four areas. There are many other areas. In every area, there are challenges in life. There are some people having health problems, some people having money problems, some people having career problems, not happy with their job, not happy with the promotion, they want more. And some people having even what is health, relationship, career problems, right? So in every area, health, relationship, career, money, every area, there are problems. But do you know, when do problems come? Why do problems come? आते क्यों है problems? नहीं आते तो अच्छा रहता ना. मतलब if the problems were not there in life, we would be happy. How many of you agree? If there were no problems, you would not have come to the session also. Dr. Poonam also would have been nicely enjoying and going to the movie. There were no problems. No problems. Happy life. Correct, no? Why problems we get? Why problems we get? Just think about it. We get problems because we have to grow. Why we are born on this earth? The only mission that we are born with is to evolve, whether physically and even spiritually. Our soul has to evolve, our body has to evolve, our mental mentality has to evolve. So everything needs evolution. How will it evolve? If everything is happy, 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 would you ever search? If you don't have any questions to ask in life, will you ever search any answers? You will not search any answers because everything is sufficient. If you don't have any problems, they won't value happiness. Yes, we'll come to that. Right, you're right. If we have everything that we ever wanted, what would happen? मतलब you want whatever you want, you have. 10 करोड़ है. Love, ढेर सारा love है. Peace, ढेर सारा peace है. ढेर सारा name. Everything is there. How will be the life? So there will be a ceiling. There will be a ceiling and it will be saturated life. You won't swim. How do you swim in water? How do you swim? How do you swim? Show me the action, all of you on cameras जो हैं. ऐसे ये example भी याद रखना. What are we doing in swimming? All of you, come on, swim, swim, swim. See, those of your camera off also and not swimming also are swimming only, okay? If you don't swim in my session, you are swimming somewhere else. Either boss के सामने, wife के सामने या whoever. I don't know where you are swimming, but you are swimming. Okay, are you swimming? Are you swimming? Swim, swim, swim. What are you doing? What are you doing? You are moving away from stagnation. If you just go and jump in the water without putting this hand movements, what will happen? क्या होगा? What will happen? Drown. You will drown. You will not swim. You will drown. We need to swim. We need to swim. We need to swim. We need to give that up and down, up and down. So, my dear friends, we all have problems, and problems are good or bad. One word in the chat box. Let me see. Good or bad? अभी तो आप लोग इंटेलिजेंट हो गए. ओके, आई दिस क्रेडिट इज टू मी, नॉट टू यू. I've told you that problems are good, and that's why everybody is typing damn good. Yes, I love that damn good. Admin, whoever, what is your name? I don't know. Problems are very, very important. After listening to you, thank you, Dipta. Problems are always important, but in school, in college, in our academic education, nobody told that. People tell, अरे fail हो गया तो डांटना शुरू कर देते हैं. Like failing is not good. Less marks are not good. Failing is not good. Less marks are not good. If you are trying something new, if results are not coming, hey, you are a failure, you are a duffer, you can't do anything. All these things we have listened, no, right from childhood. Very few times we get encouragement ki, no, it's okay, you can still go ahead. So the idea, the way we have brought up from childhood is anything bad happens, anything challenging comes, we get scared and we start doubting ourselves that maybe this is not for me. Maybe I can't do it. Maybe I don't have the guts to do it. Maybe I don't have the courage to do it. Do you have any one of you? How many of you have felt like this before? When any challenging situation comes, when any problem comes, first thing is not that you will feel it is good. Tell me clearly. You have put in the chat box, it is good. But do you really feel good when there is a problem? First, what is the first emotion when problem comes? The first emotion when problem comes is, now I'll tell you my problem today. I had 3 meetings. Rishi is there. Rishi knows. He was in that other meeting also. So we had one doctor's meeting. Then I had my other community meeting, which were clashing. One I took from laptop, one I took from mobile. And till now, I have set up the systems, but I have not set up the dashboard. So I don't have the paid Zoom. So here is my friend Shefali. Shefali Manas, you can see. She has given me her Zoom. Now, if you were in my situation, and still struggle to share the computer sound, and so what, then you people started joining and I didn't have time to choose the song, and something I put that was the dance workout Zumba, and Govinda dance was going on. Did you see that when you joined, some Atrangi song was going on? I didn't have the time to choose. Now tell me my situation. You are in my situation. Okay, I had 3 meetings. I don't have the Zoom, and I'm trying to find out कि किसका Zoom लो, किसका Zoom लो. My Zoom is there, but I have not set up the dashboard. Okay, and my friend has helped me. Then when you people started joining, then I am like, अरे song कौन सा लगा? I have not thought the song because I had other meetings. I didn't keep the song ready. Now tell me, after in this has happened in the last 1.5 hours only, so much work. Any normal person would have got frustrated, no? Tell me yes or no. स्ट्रेस. बट लुकिंग एट मी, डू यू फील कि इतना कुछ किया है मैम ने अभी 1 घंटे में, 2 घंटे में? कैन यू लुक मेक आउट फ्रॉम माई फेस? आई एम नॉट फेकिंग इट. सो एन नंबर ऑफ चैलेंजेस कम्स. ये जूम नहीं है, म्यूजिक नहीं बराबर से चालू किया. Then I had my meetings. I could not think about what and all. So these are all small challenges which I faced in the last 1.5 hours. Now tell me, irrespective of whatever I had, who has the choice to make those situations as problem? और कि जाने दो, जैसा है वैसा है. You are very energetic. Thank you. So the power is not in the situation. See, when I do one-on-one calls, some of you I'm reaching. I'm reaching to you, and you must be thinking, Madam, why she is reaching us one-on-one? Why is ma'am such a big doctor? Why she is reaching one-on-one? Why? Because I want to tell you something very important, that it is, I have done so many one-on-one calls. It is just to understand how people think, what are their real problems, because in this open session, everybody cannot open up. When I speak one on one, then they tell me what's their problems. So now anonymously, I can tell you their problems. They tell that, madam, because of this, I'm not happy. Because of that, I'm not happy. Because of whether it is office politics or it is personal house problems, money problems, some loan is there, or some promotion is not happening, or unable to sleep, emotions not able to handle. So lots of problem people have. And usually what I saw in one-on-ones, and I'm still doing few one-on-ones until I start my webinar and all, I come to know people are always pointing out something outside is troubling them. Do you agree with me? Where are our problems? Where are our problems? Inside or outside? Outside. This. How many of you agree? Show me some energy like this or in the chat box. Problems, we always say कि इधर problem है, इधर problem है, इधर problem है, इधर problem है. So problem is outside us, right? So what happens? Now, when you will be happy? I'm a happiness coach. No, I'll tell you about the happiness. So how to become happy in this problems? Problems are outside. So what has to change? This has to change. This has to change. This has to change. This has to change. Everything around you has to change. Only then you will be happy. Is that the equation you are making for your life? This is the equation. This is the recipe. If you believe that everything around me has to change, and then only I'll be happy, that's the very good recipe of suffering. We want suffering biryani, or you want happiness biryani? Which biryani you want? So don't create the recipe of suffering in life. When you say ki iske karan, uske karan, because of this, because of that, what is this called, blaming. पूरा दिन हम करते हैं. ट्रैफिक बहुत है, गर्मी बहुत है, बारिश बहुत है. You see the problems now? Problems are like this. If it rains, problem. Too much rains. If it doesn't rain, that is also problem. Sun comes, that is also problem. Very hot. Sun doesn't come, that is also problem. For us, everything is a problem. So please understand, problems are actually our perspective. There are no problems actually. There are only what I called, and this is a deeper concept of NLP. When we have the 3 days boot camp in October, how many of, I think 4, 5 of you have, in this, I think 6, 7 are already there with me in the boot camp. In there, we will learn about the NLP. Said these problems, what we call in life, are not problems. What are they? They are situations. Whatever happens to us is a situation. What we think becomes a problem. So either we make a situation as a problem or as a blessing. Now, I'll tell you my situation. Dr. Poonam doesn't have time. Is it a problem or a blessing? Type in the chat box. मेरा ही example बताती हूँ ना. My life only, I'll tell you. Blessing, who is telling blessing? Dr. Poonam doesn't have time. I am running around everywhere. I'm running around. And just now I told 1.5 hours back, 3 meetings. Zoom, I didn't get support. My friend Shefali has helped me. Today night I'll sit and finish the. It's a problem, no. I don't have time is a problem, right? In normal society, so that's what Dr. Poonam was 3 years back. So much busy, and that time I used to go to 6, 7 hospitals. Okay, now I have cut down to 4 hospitals. फिर भी मैं उसको बोलती हूँ मेरी 4 धाम यात्रा तो रोज है. Have you heard about 4 धाम यात्रा? 4 धाम yatra. So I go to 4 hospitals and I take it as 4 धाम yatra. So this is my daily 4 धाम yatra. So being busy, if I was my earlier version, I was really frustrated. And some of you are close to me sitting here. They know me personally. They know how much tensed I used to be. Because people used to be asking कि ये क्या है, ये नहीं हो रहा, वो नहीं हो रहा. I am also getting stressed. So much stress was there 3 years back. So being busy was a problem 3 years back for Dr. Poonam. But when I decided to learn the mindset and to do so many courses, I am busy, but that busy is a blessing. I'll tell you how. Can I explain you? Can I explain you with my story? How many of you want to? Quickly, I'll tell you, not bada story. Being busy was a blessing to me. I converted it as a blessing. Being busy was a blessing because now whatever work I get to do, because I don't have time, I have to finish it early. आई कांट गिव 5 मिनट्स 10 मिनट्स 2 मिनट में काम फिनिश करना है बस कैसे फिनिश करना है ऐसे ही मेरा दिमाग चलता है कि माई ब्रेन वर्क्स हाउ डू आई फिनिश अर्ली आई डोंट क्रिब एंड क्राई कि टाइम नहीं है मैं बहुत बिजी हूँ मेरे साथ ही ऐसे क्यों होता है वाई मी वाई हैव टू स्ट्रगल सो मच आई कैन सिट एंड क्राई नो दैट ऑप्शन इज ऑल्सो देयर डू यू एग्री आशा स्माइलिंग संजना स्माइलिंग are you agreeing with me? Anjana ji is also there. Thank you for joining. Sushma ji is there. I can sit and cry. I can sit and cry and crib. I have so much work. I can like how we do usually. But when you change your mindset, when you change the way you look at your so-called problems, those are not problems. Those are blessings and situations. Time नहीं है तो जल्दी जल्दी करो ना. इसलिए you see, I have to actually practice to even talk slowly. मैं बहुत फास्ट बोलती हूँ. How many of you feel I talk very fast? Please tell me in the chat box, should I talk slowly? Because मेरा टाइम नहीं है ये सिचुएशन बहुत बचपन से है. I had some other session, I'll tell you about my story and how time was never there for me. And because of that, right from child, no ma'am, going well, thank you. Right from childhood, the only mantra I learned, फटाफट करना है, फटाफट करना है, फटाफट करना है, फटाफट करना है. And you know my YouTube channel, Inner MBBS. So many of you used to ask me कि मैडम इतना वीडियो ये वो कब बनाते हो, कैसे बनाते हो? तो टाइम नहीं है ना मेरे पास, इसलिए मैं रीटेक नहीं लेती हूँ. अब if you see, if you correctly see some of the videos, I have fumbled. I am a stammering person. Any somebody's name starting with T, I can't speak properly. That's a problem for me. But भाड़ में क्या problem? I don't give a damn. So what? So what if there are some shortcomings in me? I don't give a damn. Because I don't have time, I don't take any retake of any of my video. You go and see. I'm like, ऐसे I'm looking here. I'm not looking for perfectionism. Time नहीं है ना. I can't sit and make anything perfect. I just make. My dear friends, this is a very, very important concept. We are all trying to make everything perfect. The mantra we have to choose is not making everything perfect. We have to only make make. So we have to do it. Just do it. Whatever is your goal, challenges, problems, just do it. Not do it perfectly, nicely, tomorrow, 1 month later. पहले ये कर लूं See, I have purchased very costly systems and all to run my courses. I am still not done with it. But am I still waiting for it to become everything pakka perfect? I'm begging to someone, I'm getting the support, and I'm doing it anyway. You start with what you have. Don't wait for things to become perfect. And that's the way to overcome any challenge in life. So, another 5-10 minutes will wind up. I'll tell you what was this session about. I'll start summarizing. Problems. We started talking about problems. We all have problems, but my dear friends, everybody typed in the chat box that problems are good, problems are good, problems are good. Then whoever has typed, please, please hold it like this and tell that my problems are good. Okay, everyone, come on cameras, and whoever is on camera, put a hand on your heart. Put a hand on your heart like this. Can you see me? This all I have to learn how far to sit so that you can see me. Yeah. Keep both the hands on your heart and tell to yourself, I love my problems. With a smile on the face. झूठ झूठ नहीं बोलना. I love my problems. Problems are good. I love my problems. Thank you, God, for giving me my problems. Will you tell this prayer to God? Tomorrow God will think, क्या हो गया इसको? He is telling thank you. He'll start changing your problems. What we do usually, hey, what yaar, I'm praying you, I'm given you 1,000 rupees ticket prasada, ye wo. God, what you are doing, God? Then 5,000 rupees ticket prasada, what you are doing, God? We are always fighting with the God. Don't fight. I love my problems. Done? Will you do this every day like a prayer? I love my problems. And I'll tell you why should you love I'm at the gym, ma'am. Took a break at ladies' room. Yes, yes, no problem, Dipta. So I love my problems. When you start saying this, what will happen? Say it every day like a prayer. When you say this, your problems will not be your challenges. Your problem will become a blessing. Your problems are a blessing. Just now, I told you my story. I didn't have time right from childhood. It's not a normal childhood and all that, okay? I had lots of difficulties and all that. Everything now I decode, it was a blessing because what I am today is only because of that. It was not a straightforward journey. So, all the problems. Now, let me tell you quickly whoever is facing health problem, there are few of my patients also over here, and I respect them. I honor them to be in this room. Whoever is facing health problem, you know what is the blessing in having a health problem? What is the blessing in having a disease? Type in the chat box as I tell you. What is the blessing in having a disease? Disease comes because you have not learned how to keep yourself healthy. Disease comes because something you are doing wrong with your lifestyle. And if the disease doesn't come, you will not start doing the healthy lifestyle. And I see my patients, when they become my patients, they become the best healthy lifestyle they'll do yoga, walking, pranayama, idu adu ella ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. So everything they'll do, but before the disease they might not have been doing so regularly. But I have some category of patients who are doing everything and still having. That is another way. Why? Because some emotions are burned, some emotions are pent up in our body, which do not find a way to open up. These are not detected in your blood test. These emotions, these childhood trauma, everything manifests as diseases in various names. Okay. So, if you're having a health problem, it is a blessing for your eyes to open so that you start taking care of yourself nicely. Have you seen some patients, some people who will suddenly start taking care so nicely after a heart attack? Do you know somebody like that? After a heart attack, after an angiogram, and doctor has told, no, no, now two blockages are there and all that. They'll start leading a healthy lifestyle, anything. So, my dear friends, every challenge. Now, this was health. Now, what is the other challenges in life? So, other challenges also are teaching us life lessons. Every problem in our life is teaching a life lesson. So some of the life lessons are probably we have never respected ourselves. Other lessons are we have never loved ourselves. Other lessons are we have never valued ourselves. And that's the reason we are taken granted with everybody around us. We feel ki why people don't respect me? Why people don't love me? Why people don't value me? People should respect me, no? People should respect me. I am this, that. Did you respect yourself? Did you love yourself? Did you value yourself? Ask the question. Before sleeping today, just ask these three questions. How do you talk to yourself when no one is around? What do you think of yourself when no one is around? Whatever you are thinking about yourself is how the world will show you and interact with you. That's the relationship that we carry with the world. World is just a mirror. So these problems are coming to just show that we need to step ahead. So have you heard that quote? Failure is the stepping stone to success. ये सुना है स्कूल में everybody? Failure is the stepping stone to success. Have you heard it? Have you heard it? But that time we didn't understand. Today I will make you understand every failure. Look at this. Okay, can you see my hand? Yeah. Every failure, one failure, you overcome, you climbed, another failure came, you overcome, you climbed, then another failure came, you overcome, you climbed, then another failure come, you overcome. So what happens? Your level of failures increases. Your level of failures increases. पहले छोटा failure, बड़ा little failure, bigger failure, even bigger failure, bigger failure. What is happening? What we call as failures in life is a wrong word. Nobody is failing. Is it a bulb on? Nobody is failing in life. My dear friends, वो स्कूल का फेलियर छोड़ दो, भूल जाओ. Wrong है वो. Nobody is failing in life. Everybody is learning and growing in life. Everybody. There are no failures. There are only success and learnings. Success and learnings. Don't take failure as the failure which society has told you. Was it a Bulbon? Type in the chat box BO Bulbon if you felt this was amazing. There are no failures in life. You have never failed, my dear friends. You have grown from your failures. You have evolved from your failures. My dear friends, I would like to wind up the session with a very important learning that problems and challenges are not coming to break you. They are coming to make you. You are what today only because of your problems, not because of your success. In the success, so it becomes ego, proud, मैं ये, वो. Problems रहता है तो you are grounded. And then you will think, अरे अभी क्या करना है, अभी क्या करना है, what next, what next, what next, what next. Problems are your strength. The only shift that you need to bring is, I love my problems. Okay, so when next time problem comes, okay, for a moment you might feel bad, but the next moment you catch yourself and remember this statement of mine, I love my problems. What is this teaching me? What is this teaching me? It is teaching me something. I have not learned the lesson. Let me learn the lesson, and then it will not be a problem. One more example I'll give you. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. How many of you know? Everybody knows 2 plus 2, 4. But you were in nursery, 2 plus 2 was a problem. Was a problem. You didn't know. 2 plus 2 is 4. You don't know what is 2, what is 2, what is plus. You don't know anything. No concept of addition. In first standard, they started introducing numbers. Then you knew, okay, there is something called as 1, 2, 3, 4. In second standard, when you went, then they taught you. I don't remember concept standard. I'm just giving example. Listen to this now. Don't tell me exactly. In second standard, when you went, you okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to add and then count 1, 2, 3, 4. You learned the skill of adding. You learned the technique of addition. And then 2 plus 2, which was difficult in nursery, became easy in second standard. And when you went to third standard, fourth standard, was 2 plus 2 so difficult as it was in nursery? Tell me, was it difficult when you went to third standard, fourth standard? 2 plus 2 was difficult? Became super easy. Why? Because you learned your lesson. You learned your lesson. You learned addition. Like that in every area of your life, wherever there is a problem, wherever there is a challenge, a lesson is remaining, you learn. You have not learned the lesson, and that's why problems keep coming in the same area. The moment you learn the lesson, the problem goes away. So it's never about solving the problem. We are all trying to solve problem. अरे ये problem है, money problem है, career problem है, this problem, that. You're trying to solve. Don't solve. Evolve. Evolve. When you evolve, problem dissolves. Now one more last activity we'll do. Keep a hand on your heart. जो लोगों ने फोन बंद करके बैठे ना, मैं उनका कुछ नहीं कर सकता. I can't do anything. If you can't show up here, then where will you show? What is more important in your life rather than this? I don't know. So keep a hand on your heart and say, I am bigger than my problems. Open your hands. I am bigger than my problems. Say with me, I am bigger than my problems. Because, my dear friends, we all are bigger. We have the potential. We just have to learn the techniques, tools with the mindset shift that yes, we are bigger than problems, and problems are coming to make us, not to break us. Okay, with that, I complete the session. Thank you. We are 36 of you. How was the session? Give me a quick one word in the chat box. Kaisa tha session? Does anybody want to speak? Can speak up. Amazing, excellent, awesome. See, कंजूसी मत करना. I am going to share the Google feedback form. At least 36 reviews I want. Write something. How was the session? If you want something improvement from my side or any particular topic, please write that also. I'll take it. Give me some content ideas. Whatever you want, I'll discuss. Half an hour only. Okay. And I also want to tell you that some of you have already registered for my Burnout to Balance program in October, the first batch of October. I'm not looking for many people. Because I want to give value to few people. So the batch limit will be 25 people. And already we have 10 people have registered for that. I will tell about that program in the upcoming session. So just remember, if you want to learn in depth, so we will not, half an hour is not enough. We need 2 to 3 hours for 3 days minimum. It's an ongoing process. So I will let you know in the next session about Burnout to Balance program. And whatever energy you are getting here, you will understand how to have it, how to see this, how to have that attitude change. Anybody wants to share a feedback? Just raise your Zoom hand. I'll unmute. Thank you for so much love in the chat box. Thank you so much. So everybody is going to love their problems, okay? कल से कोई रोएगा नहीं. I love my problems. I am bigger than my problems. That's the mantra of life. ज्यादा ज्यादा मंत्र कुछ याद नहीं करना. ओम नमः शिवाय के बदले भी यही बोलोगे तो आधा जिंदगी ठीक हो जाएगा. ओम नमः शिवाय जाप करते हो ना, उसमें एक जाप और डाल दो. आई लव माई प्रॉब्लम, आई एम बिगर देन माई प्रॉब्लम. आई लव माई प्रॉब्लम, आई एम बिगर देन माई प्रॉब्लम. ये जाप शुरू कर दो और बच्चों को भी यही सिखाओ. वो बच्चा कभी सीखेगा, बच्चा विल बिकम ग्रेट पर्सन, उसका पर्सपेक्टिव चेंज हो जाएगा. Anybody wants to share? Or shall we close? Want to share? One minute, 30 second, 50 second. Anybody wants to share? Dr. Megha, yeah, thank you. I will, how to unmute you? Ask to, you cannot be, okay. Can you unmute yourself? Just check. Dr. Megha. No, okay, go to the participants and unmute. 1 minute. Yeah, I'm trying to. And Dr. Megha Jain, yeah. Ask to unmute. Yeah, unmute yourself. Yeah, yeah. Hi, Dr. Megha. Thank you for
Hi.
joining. Yeah.
Hello, Dr. Puran.
Thank you
It's
for joining.
the pleasure is totally mine. I really love you, and that's the reason I love session too.
Thank
You
you.
are
Thank
really
you so
an
much.
awesome. You were awesome, fabulous,
Thank
great to
you.
see you, and great was your delivery. I will definitely
I'm
join
very thankful that you,
all the other sessions.
in spite of your busy schedule, you yourself are a doctor and you come here. Thank you so much. Means a lot.
Wait,
It's
I
on.
will tell you. Yeah. And the second thing, uh, it was the content was great, awesome learning, and we really think कि यार problem आ गई है, अब कैसे solve करना है. We never think कि we should evolve and the problem will dissolve. We never think about that. We don't go in that direction only. So it's very much required for us and for everyone. And the person who are sitting over here, they must have understood कि you should evolve yourself. And if you will evolve, the problem will dissolve. So great mantra. Will definitely follow.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Dr. Megha. Who wants to
Great,
share?
great, great.
Yeah.
Yes, take care.
Thank you. Thank you. Anyone else wants to share? Wind up. ठीक है. Okay. No one? Sure? Anybody? Am I missing anybody? No, page 2 bhi hai, sorry. I have not seen anybody on page 2, page 1. Okay. So let's wind up the session. Fine. So I'll share a Google form. Pour your heart in that. Just let me know how was it. what are your expectations? If you want any particular topic, you can just let me know in the Google form. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for all. Thank you all of you for coming.